Nation with 55 million indigenous people covering the Horn of Africa, a culture full of ample substance, various religions, and speak the Afaan Oromo, the never forgotten language of our ancestors. We are the Oromo people.
Oromos have been treated as second-class citizens in colonial objects.
Oromos in Ethiopia are denied the freedom of association, organization, and expression, as well as access to education and the media.
Now we are fighting to stop the killings of innocent Oromo people, freedom of speech, and free and fair election in Ethiopia.
I am Sicilian, and I stand with the Oromo people.
I am Latino, and I stand with the Oromo people.
Yo soy Latina y estoy con la gente de Oromia.
I'm African American and I stand with Oromo people.
I'm a Yonsei or fourth Japanese Filipino American. I stand in solidarity with the Oromo people in their fight for liberation and human rights.
Because I believe that no one should be suppressed or persecuted for their integrity.
Because I believe every human being deserves basic human rights in this world.
Porque yo creo que todos merecen la libertad de ser quien deben de ser.
Because liberation should be a human birthright and all Black Lives Matter.
Because they dare to demand basic human decency and respect. We will never be able to fathom the experiences and the battles Oromo communities have to face day after day. But we cannot sit on the sidelines while hate seeks to inflict violence on innocent lives.
Stand with us!